Hey there, and welcome to episode 3 of Witch's Kitchen, where I find a recipe or create one and cook it on camera for you. So, this one is an oldie but goodie. My mom actually used to make it using the old white rice that we had left over from our Chinese takeout. So, I actually bought some rice and made the meal, but you can do it however you want. The full write-up or the recipe and the amounts, you can check them out in the comments or the blog, depending on where you've seen it at, and you can make it yourself. So take a look and enjoy. Thanks for watching. See you next time.